Hello students, welcome to Ashwamedh Vidyalaya. Myself Surekha Patel and today's video for chapter number 1 exercise solution. First one is there, one exercise के अंदर है हम लोगों को gives reasons देने हैं. वनराज चावड़ा had to build a new city. वनराज चावड़ा जो है उन्होंने न्यू सिटी जो है बिल्डअप की है, तो उसके बारे में हम लोगों को आंसर्स देना है. तो हम लोगों ने सोलंकी एज के अंदर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में सोलंकी एज की जो एस्टेब्लिशमेंट थी तब हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कि वनराज चावड़ा, बराबर. तो वनराज चावड़ा recaptured his father's kingdom. In place of the renowned kingdom, he established a new kingdom on the bank of river Saraswati, which was known as Anhilwad Patar. Because, तो यहाँ से लिखना है because it is believed that his friend Anhil assisted him in acquiring the kingdom and hence the territory was named Anhilwad Patar after him. यहाँ से आप लोगों को फर्स्ट आंसर लिखना है, शुरू करना है. बिकॉज इट इज़ बिलीव दैट हिज फ्रेंड अनहिल असिस्टेड हिम इन एक्वायरिंग द किंगडम एंड हैंस द टेरिटरी वॉज नेम अनहिलवाड़ पाटन आफ्टर हिम. पेलो फोन. So here we have to be studied the first answer. Now the second one is there. The Solanki period is known as a golden period of Gujarat. Solanki period is known as a golden period of Gujarat. Okay, the second question is there. The Solanki period is known as the golden period of Gujarat. तो during this region या फिर during सोलंकी पीरियड, ये लिखो during सोलंकी पीरियड, Anhilwad Patan became the main center of education and was known as a Vidyadham. The first one. After that, second point, यहाँ से the prosperity of Gujarat reached its apex during the region of Kumarpal. At this time, the amalgamation of non-violence, prosperity, and education was noticed in Anhilwad Patan. Anhilwad Patan. After that, third one. Third one, the beautiful carved stone idols tell us the glory and prosperity of the Solanki era. After that, Malav Lake, Munsar Lake, and Sahasraling Lake are constructed during this region. That is why the Solanki period is known as the golden period of Gujarat. ऐसा करके आप लोगों को लास्ट लाइन ऐड करना है. That is why the Solanki period is known as a golden period of Gujarat. Here students, the third question should be omitted because वास्तुपाल एंड तेजपाल जो गुड मिनिस्टर्स थे वो जो सोलंकी एरा के दरमियान ये गुड मिनिस्टर रहे थे, लेकिन हमारे टेक्स्ट कंटेंट के अंदर इसके बारे में कुछ भी हम लोगों को डिटेल नहीं है, तो ये आप लोगों को लिखना नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फोर्थ वन. मीनल देवी वॉज एन आइडियल क्वीन. तो मीनल देवी क्यों आइडियल क्वीन थी? तो on the page number 3, क्वीन मीनल देवी, यहाँ से लिखना है क्वीन मीनल देवी, किंग सिद्धराज जयसिंह's mother, was a much concerned about the welfare of the subject and waived the pilgrimage tax. The Malav Lake at Dholka and the Mursal Lake at Viramgarh were constructed on her उनके इंस्ट्रक्शन से बनाए गए थे because of to solve the water scarcity and that is why in this way या फिर that is why Queen Meenal Devi was an ideal queen. Next question is there. Nike Devi was heroic lady. On the same page, page number 3, the heroic of Anilwar Patar is associated with the name of a brave. या फिर आप लोगों को जो क्वेश्चन है वही लिखना है. नाइकी देवी वॉज अ हीरोइक लेडी बिकॉज आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ किंग, the fifth one, Ajaypal, his son being too young. Second point, Queen Nike Devi, his mother, took over the responsibility of the kingdom. During this time, Sabuddin Ghori crossed the desert and attacked Gujarat. Queen Nike Devi led the army of Gujarat into the battle and successfully defeated Sabuddin Ghori. तो यहाँ तक आप लोगों को ये आंसर लिखना है. दिस इज अ फिफ्थ आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 डिस्कस, जिसके अंदर वाई वॉज द प्रोसेशन ऑफ सिद्धहेम शब्दानुशासन कैरिड आउट ऑन एन एलिफेंट के ऊपर क्यों उसका प्रोसेशन किया गया था? वाई शुड बी इट? बिकॉज तो द फेमस स्कॉलर Sri Hemchandra Acharya was a patronized during the rule of Siddharaj Jaisingh. On his proposal, यहाँ से second point. On his proposal, Sri Hemchandra Acharya wrote a book on grammar, Siddhahem Sabdanusasan. After his completion, the book was placed on the seat, tied on the elephant, and the procession was carried out throughout the city. The king Siddharaj Jaisingh and the composer Sri Hemchandra Acharya accompanied the procession on foot. It was the first time that a literacy text was given such enormous respect. यहाँ तक आप लोगों को लिखना है. Next question, why was the new city established by Vanraj Chowda named Anhilwar Patar? On the same page, Vanraj Chowda captured his father's kingdom. वनराज चावड़ा जो है उन्होंने अपने फादर का जो किंगडम है वो कैप्चर किया इन द प्लेस रिन्यूड किंगडम. ही विद द हेल्प ऑफ, यहाँ पे लिखना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड Anhilwar. With the help of his friend Anhilwar, he established a new kingdom on the bank of the river Saraswati. That is why the kingdom name was known as Anhilwar Patar. या फिर I will be see you the right answer as well like that. Vanraj Chowda had recaptured the lost kingdom of his father with the help of his close friend Anhilwar Bharwad. He named the new city established by him as Anhilwar Patan after the name of his friend Anhil Bharwad. बस यहाँ तक लिखना है. Okay. Now, next question is there. Why did Meenal Devi waive the pilgrimage tax? मीनल देवी ने पिलग्रिमेज टैक्स जो है वो क्यों वेव किया, यानी उसको क्यों दूर कर दिया? तो सी इन दिस बुक, मीनल देवी वॉज अ benevolent queen mother. She was always willing to work यहाँ ये नहीं लिखना है, फर्स्ट लाइन नहीं लिखना है, यहाँ से लिखो। मीनन देवी वॉज ऑलवेज विलिंग टू वर्क फॉर अ वेलफेयर ऑफ पीपल. द पिलग्रिमेज हु विजिटेड द सोमनाथ टेम्पल वेयर required to pay the pilgrimage tax. Those unable to pay the pilgrim tax were denied darshan. उन्हें दर्शन नहीं किया दिया जाता था. A number of hermits, sadhus, could not have a darshan of Somnath as they were unable to pay the pilgrimage tax. बहुत सारे hermit जो ऐसे थे कि जो टैक्स नहीं पे कर पाते थे, तो उनको सोमनाथ दादा के दर्शन नहीं होते थे. When Meenal Devi learned about this incident, she asked her son, King Siddharaj, to waive off the pilgrimage tax. यहाँ तक लिखो, okay? Why was the capital shifted from Anhilwar to Ahmedabad? जो अनहिलवाड़ जो है वो अहमदाबाद कैसे बना? तो करण देव, the last emperor of the Waghela dynasty, was defeated in the war with Alauddin Khilji. As a result, the rule of the Rajput was Anhilwar Patan come to end. For some time, Anhilwar Patan remained the capital of Gujarat, just the namesake. During the Sultan era, Ahmad Shah established the new city of Ahmedabad on the bank of river Sabarmati in 14th-11th century for a security of his kingdom and for convenience of administration. He shifted the capital from Anhilwar Patan to Ahmedabad. तो ये आंसर आप लोगों को लिखना है. Now next question, give the introduction about first Anhil Bharwad. Shortly हम लोग लिखेंगे. Anhilwar Bharwad was a brave and fearless man. He was a guide in the forest of his area. अपने एरिया का फॉरेस्ट था. He was the close friend of Vanraj Chawda. Vanraj recaptured his father lost kingdom with the help of Anhil Bharwad. In recognition of this help, Vanraj named the newly established kingdom after the name of Anhil Bharwad as Anhilwar Patan. Next, Meenal Devi. Meenal Devi was the beloved Rajmata. She was always ready to work for the people. She got the pilgrimage tax waived off on her instruction. Siddharaj Jai Singh built a Manav Lake in Dholka and Munsar Lake in a Viramgam to solve the problem of drinking water. बस यहाँ तक लिखना है. Next, Hemchandra Acharya. Hemchandra Acharya was the scholar in the court of Solanki king Siddharaj Jai Singh. At the request of Siddharaj, he wrote the famous book grammar named Siddharaj Sabdanushasan. बस यहाँ तक ही लिखना है. Next is there Kumarpal. Kumarpal ascended on the throne of Anhilwar Patan after the death of Siddharaj Jai Singh. The prosperity of Gujarat reached at its apex during in his region. There was an amalgamation of non-violence, prosperity and education in Anhilwar Patan during his region. Okay, next, Naiki Devi. Naiki Devi was the brave queen of the king Ajaypal of Anhilwar Patan. After the death of her husband, she took over the responsibility of kingdom as her son was very young. Sabuddin Ghori attacked Gujarat in 1178 century. Naiki Devi led her army into the battle and defeated Sabuddin Ghori. Next, Bhimdev Solanki. Bhimdev Solanki was a great king of Solanki dynasty. He had expanded his kingdom by acquiring the kingdoms of Kutch, Malwa, Abu and Junagadh. After the Muhammad Ghazni had looted and defaced the Somnath temple, Bhimdev Solanki had reconstructed the Somnath temple. The famous Sun Temple at Modhera was also built by Bhimdev Solanki. Next, Queen Udaymati. Udaymati was the queen of Bhimdev. She constructed Rani Ki Vav for the welfare of her people. This temple of 7 stories is an unparalleled example of art and architecture. The artistic idol engraved in the well gives an idea of glory of Solanki period. Next, Karandev Waghela, राय करण वाघेला, यहाँ पे दिया है करणदेव वाघेला. The king of Waghela dynasty ruled over Anhilwad Patan after the decline of the Solanki dynasty. Karandev Waghela was the last emperor of the Waghela dynasty. He was defeated by Alauddin Khilji. This brought to end of the Rajput rule over Anhilwad Patan. So here students, I will be sent the PDF of it. You have to be written this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.